What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Brap Daddy. Today, it's just a quick overview that we finally got this thing ceramic coated. Alright guys, so I am super excited. As you saw the last video, I had just done the oil change and a bunch of little mods to it, but I finally dropped this thing off and had it ceramic coated so that we can get this thing nice and protected, easy to clean, easy to maintain. She's just got over 600 miles on it and it looks absolutely awesome. They did a phenomenal job and you can just see the clarity in this paint. I mean, look at this. Even with the graphic, come on now, look at it. Look at this. I mean, look at it. Yes, I had to drive it, all right? So don't bust my balls too much. There's a little bit of dirt, I had to drive it. But look, I mean, no peel. Look at the clarity. How you doing? I mean, look at this. On black, it's just a must-have. Looks absolutely stunning, super bright, super vibrant, very clear, and well worth it. So just a super quick overview that we finally got this thing ceramic coated with Undr Dog products. I'm very, very happy with it. The paint looks great. I had a bunch of drips coming down on every single handle from whatever the factory had detailed it with. And I actually tried polishing it and washing it. It wouldn't come off properly. So I'm glad the professionals were able to get it off and it looks awesome. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Highly recommend the ceramic coat. Nice and smooth. Undr Dog products. I'll be sure to do an updated review video in a few months when we see how it is after we give it the first wash and such 10 days from now. Stay tuned for more videos on the Raptor. We got a lot of parts coming. And enjoy the shininess.